What if I told you that there are animals on Earth that might never die from old age? No, this isn't science fiction. It's real. From tiny water bears that can survive in space to jellyfish that literally reverse aging, these creatures are defying the rules of life and death. Let's uncover 5 real-life immortal animals that scientists are still trying to understand. And the last one? It might be living inside you right now. Number 1. Tardigrade, the invincible water bear. You can boil them, freeze them, blast them with radiation, even launch them into space. And guess what? They'll survive. Tardigrades, also known as water bears, are microscopic creatures that live just about everywhere. Moss, oceans, even mountaintops. Their secret? A survival state called cryptobiosis. When conditions get extreme, they basically shut down their metabolism and dry out, becoming almost completely inactive. Then, years later, they reboot like nothing happened. They've survived the vacuum of space, high radiation levels, and temperatures from 458 degrees F to over 300 degrees F. Scientists believe tardigrades could outlive every other species on Earth, possibly even surviving planetary extinction. Now that's as close to immortality as it gets. Number 2. Hydra, the animal that doesn't age. Found in freshwater ponds, hydras are tiny tube-like animals. They're not flashy, but they might be biological immortals. Here's why. Hydras have an incredible ability to regenerate. They don't just heal, they constantly renew their cells. Unlike humans, their stem cells don't degrade over time, meaning they don't show signs of aging. In fact, in controlled lab environments, hydras can live indefinitely, unless killed by an outside force. Imagine a creature that's been quietly escaping death for millions of years, hiding in plain sight. Number 3. Immortal jellyfish, reversing time itself. Yes, it exists. A jellyfish that can literally age in reverse. It's called Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. When injured or stressed, it transforms its adult body back into its juvenile stage, essentially starting life over again. This cycle can repeat endlessly, turning this creature into a true biological anomaly. Scientists are studying it closely, hoping it might hold clues to slowing or even reversing aging in humans someday. While it's not invincible, it can still be eaten or die from disease. It's the closest thing to eternal youth in the animal kingdom. Number 4. Planarian flatworm. The regenerating puzzle. Cut one in half, you get 2. Cut it into 20 pieces, you get 20 worms. Planarian flatworms are regeneration masters. They're loaded with pluripotent stem cells, meaning they can regenerate any part of their body, even their brain. But here's the twist. Some planarians seem to have telomeres, the ends of chromosomes that shorten with age, that don't degrade or even lengthen over time. In simple terms, they might not age. Some scientists believe this regenerative power is the key to understanding biological immortality. Number 5. Lobsters. Growing old without aging? Lobsters don't just taste good. They're mysterious marvels of biology. Unlike most animals, lobsters continue to grow and reproduce well into old age. They produce an enzyme called telomerase throughout their lives, which helps repair their DNA and slows aging at the cellular level. Some scientists believe lobsters don't die of old age at all, but eventually die from disease, exhaustion, or shell-related injuries. The largest known lobster ever caught? Over 44 pounds and estimated to be 100 years old. So yes, that lobster on your dinner plate might have been older than your grandparents. These creatures may not be truly invincible, but their biology is rewriting what we know about life and longevity. Which one shocked you the most? Would you want to live forever? If you could, let us know in the comments. And if you're fascinated by strange science, ancient biology, and creatures that bend the rules of nature, hit subscribe, smash that like, and ring the bell, because the world is wilder than we think.